Top 9 Best Vegetables for Diabetics. Eat these to lower blood sugar fast. Managing diabetes isn't just about cutting out unhealthy foods, it's also about adding the right ones to your diet. Certain vegetables can be powerful allies in regulating blood sugar levels, sometimes even as effective as medications. These veggies are packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that help stabilize glucose levels, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. Let's dive into 9 amazing vegetables that can help you manage diabetes and keep your blood sugar in check. Plus, we'll share some delicious recipes to make these veggies a regular part of your meals. Number 1. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are a diabetes superfood. Research shows they can improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for managing blood sugar. They're low in calories, just 43 calories per 100 grams, and carbs, 9 grams per 100 grams, making them a great choice for maintaining stable glucose levels. They're also packed with fiber, which slows down sugar absorption, and essential nutrients like vitamins C and K, folate, and manganese. Brussels sprouts contain antioxidants like camphorol and quercetin, which reduce oxidative stress, a common issue for people with diabetes. To get the most benefits, enjoy them fresh and in season, late fall to early spring. Roast them with olive oil, garlic, and a splash of balsamic vinegar for a flavorful, diabetes-friendly side dish. Number 2. Cucumber. Cucumbers are hydrating, low in calories, 15 calories per 100 grams, and low in carbs, 3.6 grams per 100 grams, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. They're rich in vitamins K and C, magnesium, and potassium, which help protect the heart, nerves, and kidneys, organs often affected by diabetes. Cucumbers also contain antioxidants like flavonoids and beta-carotene, which fight harmful free radicals in the body. Enjoy them raw in salads, smoothies, or as cucumber-infused water for a refreshing, blood sugar-friendly snack. Pair them with olive oil and vinegar to boost antioxidant absorption, or blend them with mint and lemon for a hydrating drink. Number 3. Purple cabbage. Purple cabbage is a vibrant, nutrient-packed veggie that's great for managing diabetes. It's low in calories, 31 calories per 100 grams, and carbs, 7.4 grams per 100 grams, but high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar. The deep purple color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Purple cabbage is also rich in vitamins C and K, folate, and potassium. To maximize its benefits, eat it raw in salads or lightly sautéed with garlic and olive oil. Fermented options like purple sauerkraut or kimchi are also excellent, as they provide probiotics that support gut health, a key factor in blood sugar regulation. Number 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause a significant spike in blood sugar. They're low in calories, 18 calories per 100 grams, and carbs, 3.9 grams per 100 grams, but packed with essential nutrients like vitamins C and K, potassium, and folate. Tomatoes are also rich in antioxidants like lycopene, beta-carotene, and flavonoids, which reduce inflammation and support heart and kidney health. Enjoy tomatoes raw in salads, blended into fresh juice, or cooked gently with olive oil to enhance nutrient absorption. Avoid canned tomatoes with added sugars or preservatives, and opt for fresh, organic, and seasonal varieties for the best flavor and nutritional value. Number 5. Carrots. Carrots have a moderate glycemic index, so they won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar when eaten in moderation. They're rich in vitamin A, which is great for eye health, and also contain vitamins K and C, potassium, and fiber. The antioxidants in carrots, like beta-carotene, help combat oxidative stress. Stick to one medium carrot, about 60 grams per meal, and enjoy them raw or lightly steamed to preserve their nutrients. Avoid overcooking, as this can increase their glycemic impact. Fresh, organic, and seasonal carrots are the best choice for optimal flavor and nutrition. Number 6. Arugula. Arugula is a leafy green that's low in calories, 25 calories per 100 grams, and carbs, 3.7 grams per 100 grams, making it an excellent choice for diabetics. It's rich in water, which supports hydration and digestion, and packed with essential nutrients like vitamins K, C, folate, calcium, and magnesium. Arugula also contains antioxidants like glucosinolates and flavonoids, which reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. Enjoy it raw in salads, smoothies, or as a topping for soups and omelets. Lightly saute it with garlic and olive oil for a flavorful, nutrient-rich side dish. Number 7. Avocado. Avocados are a fantastic choice for diabetics because they're rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. They're also high in fiber, 6.7 grams per 100 grams, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Avocados are packed with vitamins K, E, C, potassium, and folate, as well as antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health. Enjoy avocados raw in salads, smoothies, or as a spread on whole grain toast. They're also a great addition to guacamole or sauces. Just stick to half an avocado, about 75 grams, per serving to keep calories in check. Number 8. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that's perfect for diabetics. It's low in calories and carbs but high in vitamins A, C, K, folate, iron, and magnesium. Spinach also contains antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, and flavonoids, which reduce inflammation and support overall health. Enjoy spinach raw in salads or smoothies, or lightly cooked in soups, stews, or omelets. Sauté it with olive oil and garlic to enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Fresh, organic, and seasonal spinach is the best choice for maximum flavor and nutrition. Number 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is a diabetes superstar. It's low in calories, 34 calories per 100 grams, and carbs, 7 grams per 100 grams, but high in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Broccoli is rich in vitamins C, K, and A, as well as folate, potassium, and calcium. It also contains sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress and inflammation. Steam or roast broccoli with olive oil and garlic to preserve its nutrients. A simple recipe involves steaming broccoli and tossing it with olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice for a flavorful, low-carb side dish. Fresh broccoli is the best choice for optimal health benefits. Vegetables to avoid. While some veggies are great for diabetes, others can cause blood sugar spikes. Starchy vegetables like potatoes, corn, and peas are high in carbs and natural sugars, making them less ideal for blood sugar control. Butternut squash, cooked carrots, and beets should also be eaten in moderation due to their higher glycemic impact. Always pair these veggies with protein and fiber to slow down sugar absorption. Diabetic-friendly recipes. Start your day with these delicious, blood sugar-friendly recipes. Broccoli and spinach omelette. Combine eggs, steamed broccoli, fresh spinach, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Add turmeric and black pepper for an anti-inflammatory boost. High-protein smoothie. Blend spinach, arugula, unsweetened almond milk, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and a scoop of protein powder for a nutritious breakfast. Cabbage and egg scramble. Sauté shredded cabbage in olive oil, then add scrambled eggs or tofu. Serve with smoked salmon or grilled chicken for extra protein. Arugula and avocado bowl. Toss arugula with sliced avocado, cottage cheese, walnuts, lemon juice, and olive oil for a quick, nutrient-packed meal. These meals are designed to balance fiber, protein, and healthy fats, helping you maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Incorporate these veggies and recipes into your diet to take control of your diabetes and enjoy delicious, healthy meals.